Hey guys, welcome back to another TG's One Word lesson. So today I will be teaching you how to fold this paper ninja shuriken. So this is a pretty cool origami thing to make. So this is my favorite thing to make whenever I'm free. So this is really sharp, so these points are really sharp, so be careful not to throw it on other people. So this is a pretty easy fold. You just need a piece of paper, a printer paper, or 8.5 by 11. Wouldn't make a difference, but let's get started folding. So let's talk about step 1. So the step 1 is to fold this crease down to this edge over here. So after you're done folding, run your nails over the paper again so that the crease is pretty sharp. So now what I'm going to be doing is tearing it. So you could use scissors, but I'm not going to be using scissors for now. So now we have these two edges, or these two papers. So now let's be handling with one piece. So now what I'm going to be doing is taking this edge and folding it down to this edge over here. So take it and then fold it. So now after you're done, run your fingernail over it so that the crease is pretty sharp. There we go. So now open it back out, and this is how the paper should look now. So now take this edge and fold it down to the middle crease. So now since we are done with this side, let's go to the other side. Same thing. Let's take this edge and fold it down to the center crease. Leave a little bit of gap so that it does not fold by itself when you fold it. There we go. So now we have this paper now. Now what I'm going to be doing is taking this white edge and fold it to the left edge. So hold it in, align it properly, and put your finger like that so that it does not crumble, and then crease it out. So now let's open it back out. So now let me show you. So we are going to be creased. So we have actually creased it on this side over here. So let's recrease it properly and run your nail over it. There we go. So we have actually creased it over here. So now let's fold it back inside. So now this is a center crease. If you can see, this is our center crease. So now what I'm going to be doing is making the open side facing to me and taking this edge and aeroplane folding it right like that. So First, let's make a pinch crease and check if it is proper, and then crease it fully, just like that. And now let's flip it over like that, and then let's do the same thing. Take this edge and fold it back down. And now here we go. So now the next step is folding these edges to the center crease, or you can fold it a little bit behind it like that. There we go. So this is how it looks. So let's recrease it again. And sorry for that. So now the same thing, we align it properly. And crease this edge over here, so it's the same thing on the opposite side. And there we go. So now this is how the paper looks like. So now what I'm going to be doing is taking this edge and folding it up there. So we're going to be creasing it properly over here, and then we crease it over there, just like that. And now the same thing on the other side. So we recrease this, and we're gonna fold it this side. Like that. And now let's make the other piece like the same way as this one and the other piece. So we'll need two pieces. So let's make the other one. So now let's focus on making the ninja star just like that. So the first step for making the ninja star is aligning them properly like a V. Like that. So now we flip this side so that it just looks like that, and we rotate it. So this is how it looks. So now this rotated piece, we put it on top of this. So this is just like folding a box. So now the final step is like making this, as I told you. So now what I'm going to be doing is taking this top part and putting it down. So now while I'm putting it down, I take this edge and put it inside there, and I close it back. So now the same thing, take this one, open this side, and putting it like that. So now we flip it over and do the same thing on this side, but I am going to crease this side like that, and I'm kind of going to take a pencil and poke it inside like that and put it inside. There we go. So now we're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. So now to do that, we take this edge and put it inside this. So to put it inside that, I'm gonna use the pencil again and poke a hole. So just recrease that hole and then I put it inside. So let me show you what happened. So I've taken a pencil and I poke it inside it so that it creates a hole like that. I'm gonna take this edge and bend it. So I bend it and then put it inside that hole. So the ninja star is pretty much done. So the last step is to just punch it like that so that it all flattens out. Now let me show you how to throw this. So guys, if you like this video, I would encourage you to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so that YouTube sends you notifications whenever I post a video. So give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends so that even they can make it. So guys, thank you for watching and meet you in the next one.
Magic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and